90, and then 90.
Where you want the combo?
Yeah. Well, he has to put a combo right here for this vent.
Okay.
And then he's gonna keep going, right? So, and then right here would be a Y, picking that guy up, right? Because he's gonna come over like this and Y into it. And then there's gonna be another Y, wind into this guy and then down.
Okay.
And then back in that way. Yeah.
Yeah, so they're gonna drill a hole right there,
Yep.
core, and
Yep.
then just put the pipe in, and then connect it underneath. And that's okay. All right.
Yeah.
Simple as that.
Yep. Sweep. Right?
Sweep on underneath.
Sweep. And then either.
Well, down there, so this is kind of part of the lobby and the grocery store down there. So we know that there is a line coming in here. So basically, it's gonna be a combo van down there.
It's
So
combo boom, and then you just cap.
yeah, I'm just gonna cap it there. So yeah.
Cool.